Hey guys, it's about 11:03 right now on Sunday, and Hurricane Irene has come through, and at least in Astoria, Queens, it doesn't look like it did that much. It came through here at about 2:30 a.m. to 4, and really only hit us hard in maybe like 2 or 3 minute sections where the wind really whipped up and the rain came through. But not, I'm gonna have to go through the neighborhood, but just looking out the window, it doesn't look like there was a lot of damage. I'd be only worried for only those little 2 or 3 minute segments where the wind just really came through and the rain was really pounding, but it wasn't anything that was like ferocious where there was an ongoing onslaught of like this torrential rain or anything like that. We maintained power through the whole time. I think the buildings across the way, because I was watching them, kept losing power, but at least our block was fine. So nothing really crazy here, and I guess Bloomberg is going to give a speech at 12 o'clock and let us know what's going on with the subways and everything. So, yeah, so this, at least for us, wasn't as bad as this other incident, which I have a shirt for right now, many years ago. But yeah, I'm gonna take a walk in the neighborhood and we'll see if anything kind of fell down, but it doesn't look like it so far, and looks like it's over, and hopefully the transportation's up soon. Okay, so here's my neighborhood post-storm. You can see there's kind of a lot of debris on the ground, but it's just little twigs and things like that, nothing crazy. So it almost just looks like some of the normal storm season that went through here. We were pretty lucky. So I'm gonna go down the block and see if anything else happened up here, but it looks like not much. Okay, so here's where I was standing before the storm. So as you can see, not a whole lot has changed. It's just sprinkling a little bit right now, light winds. Building over there just put a little bit more tape all over their windows. Nothing cracked, nothing fell in. And you can see down here, people are starting to come out for a normal Sunday. The only thing different is there's just not as many people out, probably because most businesses are closed right now.